Hello and welcome to the Big Basket YouTube channel. I wish monsoons were all about tea and hot snacks. But reality check, monsoons के साथ आती हैं घर और किचन से जुड़ी हुई ढेर सारी problems. So today, I'll be sharing a few simple monsoon hacks and tips that will take those worries away. But before we begin, here is a fun giveaway challenge जहां आप जीत सकते हो exciting vouchers from Big Basket. Watch this video carefully and tell me which 2 items I used for multiple DIYs. Write your answers in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for a chance to be the lucky winner of this giveaway. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 से। मॉनसून्स में अक्सर मॉइस्चर की वजह से डोर्स और विंडोज के हिंजेस पर रस्ट लग जाती है और उनमें से काफी आवाज आने लगती है। बट इस आवाज को दूर करने का एक सिंपल सोल्यूशन है WD-40. This is not only super convenient, but unlike the traditional methods, this is also a mess-free way to fix the issue. The spray works like lubricant, जो रस्टी पार्ट को कवर करता है। आपको बस स्प्रे करके एक थिन कोट अप्लाई करना है हिंजेस पर और देखिए आवाज बिल्कुल गायब। So get WD-40 today because this item is your one-stop solution for most of your monsoon problems this year. अब बात करते हैं किचन की। No matter how much we clean, ants अपना रास्ता बना ही लेती है। बट इसका भी एक सिंपल DIY solution है, homemade ant repellent. तो बनाने के लिए ले लीजिए 2 tablespoon विनेगर और उसमें ऐड कर दीजिए इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर। आप इस सोल्यूशन को एक स्प्रे बॉटल में डाल के रख सकते हैं और बस किचन वाइंड अप करने के बाद इस स्प्रे को अपनी किचन स्लैब पर स्प्रे करके छोड़ दीजिए। सिंस इट्स नेचुरल एंड सेफ, देयर इज नो नीड टू वाइप इट ऑफ लेटर एंड दिस मैजिक सोल्यूशन विल कीप एंट्स फार फार अवे। अनदर किचन प्रॉब्लम ड्यूरिंग मॉनसून्स इज द बैड ओडर फ्रॉम द सिंक, बट इसका भी एक सुपर इजी DIY हैक है। Step 1 is to sprinkle some baking soda generously into the sink. And next, step 2 is to add vinegar on top of it, followed by some hot water. The fizzing reaction of baking soda and vinegar melts away all the grime and hot water flushes everything out. The best is to scrub a little with the same solution and rinse everything off later. And voila, your stainless steel sink will be sparkling clean and germ-free. Now, talking of germs, infections spread really fast during monsoons. But thanks to Big Basket, you can easily stock up on fresh citrus fruits and veggies that help build immunity and fight seasonal infections. With their 10-minute delivery, there is literally no excuse to miss out on your daily dose of citrus. Whether it is ordering Mosami for fresh juice during morning or evening, or a basket full of amla and lemons, these superfoods strengthen immunity and protect us from common monsoon bugs. Of course, इन ingredients को यूज करने के ढेर सारे तरीके हैं और आप उनमें से बहुत से तरीकों को अपने डेली लाइफस्टाइल में incorporate कर सकते हैं। But my simple hack is that whenever I make a herbal tea, I just squeeze in half a lemon. It helps flush out toxins and keeps digestion light, which is so important in this humid season. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Strengthening your immunity system with such easy hacks is the first step to staying healthy and enjoying the monsoon without regrets. Now that we have solved the odor issues in the kitchen, let's move to the rest of the home. One of my favorite hacks is using an aroma diffuser. All you need to do is fill the diffuser with a little water and add a few drops of your favorite calming essential oil. Then comes the best part. Just switch it on. The bulb inside warms up the ceramic and heats the water, which then slowly diffuses the soothing aroma across the room. इससे room का aesthetic तो बढ़ेगा ही, but even a dull corner will light up, and the refreshing aroma will make your space feel so inviting. और जब हम स्मेल की बात कर ही रहे हैं तो मॉनसून में शू रैक को ओडर फ्री रखना भी इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट है। फॉर दैट आई विल मेक अ सुपर सिंपल नेचुरल डिओड्राइजर। टू मेक दिस डिओड्राइजर I'll take some baking soda and that's it. I'll take some tissue and pack this tissue into a small pouch. You can also use a cotton cloth or even place it in an open container. Then I'll just slit the pouch slightly so the baking soda can do its magic. Baking soda absorbs the extra moisture and neutralizes any foul smell. Honestly, if there is one hack you must try this monsoon, then this is it. Next, let's deal with that lingering damp odor in the cupboards during monsoons. These easy to hang camphor deodorizers are truly a secret savior. Camphor naturally soaks up excess humidity, keeping cupboards dry and preventing dampness. और यही नहीं, its strong aroma also helps in keeping moths, silverfish, cockroaches and even mosquitoes away. Plus, it leaves a refreshing fragrance in cupboards so your clothes don't get that musty smell. Now moving on, the next tool to deal with humidity are these moisture absorbing tubs. They are usually filled with silica gel, activated charcoal or even calcium chloride crystals. And they are a total lifesaver in monsoon. How? Well, ये tubs air के water molecules को absorb करके trap कर लेते हैं, जिससे cupboards या shoe rack की dampness कम हो जाती है. जब humidity control हो जाती है, तो stale smell भी खत्म हो जाती है और fungal growth का risk भी नहीं होता. Isn't that a brilliant monsoon essential? The best part, ये सभी products Big Basket app पर easily available हैं. So just order and get them delivered in 10 minutes. अब बड़ी जगह को तो आप इन टब से ड्राई रख सकते हैं. But what about small spaces, especially our food items? For that, we use silica gel pouches. You must have seen them inside medicines or snack packets. That's because they absorb excess moisture and keep things dry so they don't get sticky or spoil in humid water. तो अपने ग्रोसरी बॉक्सेस में सिलिका पाउचेस डाल दीजिए और मॉनसून में खाना स्पॉइल होने के टेंशन से बच जाइए. By reducing humidity, these pouches stop bacterial and fungal growth, which means food stays fresh for much longer. आप चाहें तो इन्हें डायरेक्टली बॉक्स के अंदर डाल सकते हो या फिर कंटेनर लिड्स पे टेप करके स्टिक कर सकते हो. Either way, it works perfectly. And with that, I hope you found these monsoon hacks useful. Do like this video and share it with everyone while the rain lasts. Don't forget to drop your giveaway answer in the comments below for a chance to win exciting vouchers from Big Basket. And of course, hit subscribe on that Big Basket YouTube channel to be eligible for this giveaway. I'll see you in the next video with more simple and helpful ideas. Till then, stay healthy and enjoy the monsoons.